Yeah, it's recording. All right, guys. So today, me and my friends are going to be summoning Cartoon Cat himself from the blood. Don't know how to do this, but yeah. Let's get to the summoning. How do you stop recording?
I don't know.
Which button is all right. It's a summoning Cartoon Cat, totally not fake, and should do this with parents. You gotta do this. You gotta do this. You gotta do this. And then you gotta do this.
And then now you open the door to find the one and only.
All right, open it up. Oh my God! Cartoon Cat! Oh, where's Cartoon Cat? Do you know what Cartoon Cat is?
No, I don't know.
Ah, Cartoon Cat!
We're beating up Cartoon Cat. We can run now. Run! Okay, so how do you stop recording again? Oh yeah. Okay, guys, so we ran away. And Cartoon Cat. We saw Cartoon Cat it was real. Trust me, totally not fake.
We ran away, we lost him.
Yeah. Wait, what's that? What's that over there? Oh my God!
We finally found a safe place to hide.
I think Cartoon Cat.
What looks like a bunny?
It's Cartoon Cat.